What makes Bentley unique? Our core values. Bentley's core values inform how we work and touch every infrastructure project that our users design, build, and operate. Around the world, engineers and architects, constructors and owner-operators use our software to accelerate project delivery and improve asset performance for the infrastructure that sustains our environment and the economy. We live these core values every day. They are not just buzzwords. They are part of our corporate culture, our DNA. They drive us to go the extra mile and lead us to the satisfaction that comes from seeing our users succeed in making the world a better place.
So Bentley Systems began right around the advent of the personal computer. The idea that you make a computer cheap enough, you could give it to a single individual. That was radical. So that really was the beginning of Bentley Systems.
When we started out, there were 5 of us. We said we were 5 guys with bad haircuts, staying in business,
We're only a year apart in general, the 5 brothers. We've always done projects together.
We like to focus on big, hard-to-solve problems. The types of problems that we work on are ones that really matter for the world at large.
We started with a spreadsheet of the day, which was a piece of green engineering paper. We drew out a business plan that went out 7 quarters.
I can't really say that we looked out and saw this coming in 35 years.
Our philosophy hasn't changed. Deliver a good product that users want, back it up with the service that they need, and people will stick with you.
In the Bentleys, of course, our core values, we live them.
Sharing the core values to the company is really important because it gives a direction to all the colleagues about what is important.
Motivated. Infrastructure is essential to our quality of life. We know that. That's why every day we are motivated to provide the solutions that empower our users to deliver the best outcomes. Infrastructure that is economically and environmentally sustainable, improving the lives of people around the world.
One of my biggest motivations is changing the world using our product.
It's our users that motivate me, the way they improve the world.
If you come work at Bentley Systems, you work on things that do make a difference.
It's very motivating to be in a company where the leaders actually live the core values of Bentley.
We can provide comprehensive solutions to our users to make this world to be a better place.
To improve economies and environment at the same time by improving infrastructure. What could be more motivating than that?
Innovative. The innovation we bring to our technology is not there just for innovation's sake, but for what it achieves. Accurate 3D models of buildings and cities, from digital photography, digital twins for improved infrastructure project and asset performance, 4D construction modeling for better construction outcomes, flood and structural simulation for more resilient infrastructure.
Bentley is innovating by bringing everything together to create a complete picture of our infrastructure.
You just see this amazing ping-ponging of ideas and possibilities.
Innovation is the DNA of every software team.
Bentley's leaders are making clear they don't want to be behind the curve, they want to be the first.
Passionate. Bentley colleagues are passionate about our work because we see the positive impact our solutions have on the world. And it is this passion that drives us to find new ways to leverage the latest technologies to help our users deliver even better outcomes in the future.
I really am passionate about the markets that we serve, the things that our users do, the way they improve the world. I look at that as a proxy for how I improve the world. So when I see Bentley as a company and the things that our users do, that's what gets me out of bed every morning.
It's really challenging work I'm doing. The users are creating so many innovative and creative projects throughout the world. That gives you motivation to do more work.
Connected. Being connected is about so much more than enabling computers to talk to each other. It's about connecting people, connecting our colleagues with each other and with our users wherever they are. It's about empowering our global reach for unified and aligned objectives.
It's such a different development environment now where we can all be connected without having to be physically in the same room. And we've got a whole slew of really bright young developers all around the world. Here, obviously in Exton, Lithuania. We've got a great team down in Philadelphia. Guys up in Quebec are really contributing, and Pakistan and India has really enabled our business to be more global than it ever has been.
The Bentley company has always given back throughout their entire history. And so whether it's a backpack drive or a winter coat drive, colleagues take it upon themselves to go above and beyond what we've asked them to do.
Our Bentley has a global reach, and because of that, we impact the world.
Because we are family, we are connected.
Responsible. Our solutions are mission critical for the infrastructure professionals who design, build, and operate the infrastructure that is mission critical for the communities they serve. It's a huge responsibility that every Bentley colleague takes seriously and upholds proudly.
You need to be responsible the way you deliver the quality of the product, the performance of the product.
You want to produce high quality software that people use.
Every year we have a conference where our users show the best things that they have done. It's our Oscar, right? And this is for me a huge motivation, making a difference in the world.
When I see colleagues that are putting in extra hours because they know that one of our users is struggling with something, that's where I see that responsibility. You almost have to observe it to really understand it.
We began back when the personal computer was a revolutionary idea. But there is a brand new wave of innovation that is happening in the world today. I personally believe that the opportunity in front of us is way bigger than the one that we were facing at the beginning. We should be able to lead a new revolution of digital workflows, digital twins, and I'm very, very optimistic that this is the beginning of we will look back and say Bentley Systems began at year 35.